And welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a multiple choice poll in Vevox, the most widely used poll type of them all. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard and open the presentation section. From here, choose Add Content to start building your poll. A window will pop up with different poll types. Just select multi-choice. Next, type in your question. This is the text your participants will see. You can make it stand out with formatting options like bold or italics. And if you're on the starter plan or higher, you can even add an image to the question to make it more engaging. Below the question, you'll find the answer boxes. Simply type in your choices, one per line. If your plan allows, you can also attach images to each option. By default, participants can only select one answer. But you can change this by adjusting the allowed selection setting to let them pick multiple responses if needed. If you're creating a quiz, you can mark one or more answers as correct and add an explanation that will display once the results are revealed. For how results look, Vevox defaults to a bar chart, but on higher plans, you can switch this to a pie chart. There are also custom settings you can use to fine-tune things like countdown timers, change the number of points per question, or where the results show in real time. Once you're happy with your setup, click here to save your poll and it will appear in your dashboard. When you're ready to run it, head over to the Present view. From here, you can make the poll live and participants will see it instantly on their devices. You'll be able to start or stop voting, show or hide results, and switch between chart types while responses come in. If it's set up as a quiz, you can also reveal the correct answers once voting has closed, along with any explanation you've added. Perfect for giving instant feedback. And that's it. You've just built a multiple choice poll in Vevox. Perfect for instant feedback, testing knowledge, or boosting engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy polling!